because there is not much, you know, आपको डायलॉग याद रह जाए वो ही बहुत, और आप एक दो टेक में कर दो तो वो बहुत okay. So thankfully तेरा यार हूँ मैं was the last show that I was doing for Sony. Yeah, I wouldn't mind trying my hand at dancing. I'm not a very good dancer, by the way, so it will be challenging. So अगर अपना
Hi Shweta, first of all, welcome to Teletest and congratulations for your new show, Time and Confession. So, what is the
thank you
excitement
so
and how
much.
you are getting the response?
Excitement levels are through the roof, to be very honest, because it's an exciting story that I'm doing, and it's been quite challenging. Response so far, the entire series, not just the film that I'm a part of, but the entire series, everybody's really appreciating the look and you know the content that has been shared in the trailer. So I'm sure people are awaiting it, yeah, with bated breath. So fingers crossed. I hope they like it and they enjoy watching our hard work. Yeah.
Okay. You have been part of many different type of genres on the TV serial, and now this is something new to watch. So, किस तरह के challenges रहे थे?
18 years के career में मैंने तो ऐसा character play नहीं किया, तो obviously challenging था. But when you have a wonderful team, if the series is written well, and when you have a fabulous and for an actor to feel comfortable, it is really important the entire team comes together and holds the the scenario on the set. Then things start flowing very easily, and that's exactly what happened with the story that I did, at least. That it was very good on the set. Though although we were like really short of time, and वो जल्दी जल्दी में फटाफट खत्म करना है ये सीन के बाद वो सीन, क्योंकि आपके पास उतना ही टाइम है और shooting constraints है, but उसके बावजूद I think the product come out decently well. I would not say it's come out fabulous because that's what I want the audiences to say, but yeah, it's come out decently well, and I think we're really happy with the outcome. I just hope the audiences appreciate our hard work. Yeah, so but it was good. It's challenging to a character like that, but it was fun and quite fluid. Yeah.
Okay, so you have done TV before and other kind of things also, and now exploring web series. So how is your experience? Like TV ज़्यादा मुश्किल है या web series ज़्यादा मुश्किल है या आपके क्या thought है?
मुश्किल तो देखिए हर चीज एक तरीके से मुश्किल होती है, हर एक चीज it depends on how you perceive it, how comfortable you are doing what you are doing. See, I think they're challenging in the terms of the time commitment that it requires, because once you take up a daily soap, then your life is like 14 hours of, including travel time, 14 hours of commitment every single day for sometimes weeks on end, sometimes days on end, sometimes months on end, years on end. ऐसे भी shows हैं जो 7-7 साल चलते हैं. So that is a very long commit. It gets very taxing. It drains you out. But web in that fashion is more relaxed because you do it for a short period of time. You have the time to get yourself back, come out of the character that you're playing, refresh yourself, rejuvenate yourself, and then move forward to something next, which is challenging and fun. So that's the basic difference between web and television. And of course, television is not so much on the real zone. Web is more in the real space, like the kind of stories that we have on television and the kind of कैसे बोलते हैं, ऐसे झगड़े करते हैं घर में, और everything. It's a little too fabricated, but web is not like that. That's not in the real space. So I think it's more exciting to be real. It's very easy to actually, television is far easier when it comes to performing because there is not much. आपको dialogue याद रह जाए वो ही बहुत, और आप एक दो take में कर दो तो वो बहुत. You don't have to be that. You don't have to feel the character beyond a point. Beyond a point, I'm saying. But web, you can't do that. You can't fake it. You have to feel it. You have to own it. So that's a very, very big difference for an actor, at least for me.
Okay. जैसा कि अभी आपने बताया, this series was kind of back to back and hectic shoot रहा. So how did you manage it, like doing the same switching to switching? So how was it for you?
Okay, so thankfully, Tera Yaar Hu Main was the last show that I was doing for Sony. So from December to now, a little stint on Shadi Mubarak, and I did another short film in between, something else which I don't want to talk right now. Maybe when it comes, and this. So all my work was very spaced out. So that I had the time to get out of something and jump into something else. So it was not never like अच्छा वो set से किसी और set पे मैं भाग रही हूँ. So to undo that and then start fresh was not a problem, thankfully for me. It was an easy switch. But yeah, doing the characters that I was doing, it had its own challenges. But वो नहीं था कि daily soap से निकल के आप किसी और set पे भाग रहे हो. I think you should ask the other actors who are there in my series who did that actually. So सुबह कोई और set पे shoot करके आके हमारे set पे कुछ और character. So I think they'll be able to answer this better. I had the time and thankfully the leisure of taking this up and working on it. Yes.
Okay. इसके अलावा ये रियलिटी शोज की बात करें तो देयर आर मेनी रियलिटी शोज सच एज खतरों के खिलाड़ी, बिग बॉस, डांस रिलेटेड रियलिटी शोज. सो इफ यू गेट अ चांस, वुड यू लाइक टू बी पार्ट ऑफ एनी ऑफ दीज?
Yeah, I wouldn't mind trying my hand at dancing. I'm not a very good dancer, by the way. So it will be challenging. So अगर अपना मतलब वो बोलते हैं ना अपना बेवकूफ बनाना है तो मैं जा सकती हूँ. फिर ऑडियंस को सच पता चल जाएगा कि श्वेता का डांस that good. I can manage to shake a leg, but I'm not a very good dancer. So I see those girls then perform. I would be like, oh my god, this is really difficult. But yeah, that's what our job is all about, to accept the challenge and then give your best. So yes, I would. Because I don't know. I don't think I'm made for it. But as you say never. But मुझे नहीं लगता मैं सर्वाइव कर. मैं बहुत ही ज्यादा इमोशनल हूँ और बहुत I'm just Chandika Roop, ideally. So I think I should quietly sit and not show people that side of me. Let them see this nice Shweta. That is a side that I would not like the world to see. But again, as you say never. So you never know.
True. What do you think about Khatron Ke Khiladi?
What I think about Khatron Ke Khiladi show, I'm very proud of the people who are part of it, who are doing those stunts, and all the best. May the best one win.
So who is your favorite contestant lastly this season?
I am not watching. I have no idea. I know all are participating, but I really don't know kya hua last week. My mother knows, so I can probably ask her and answer this question, but she's taking a nap now. So I have no idea. Honestly, no idea.
Okay.
But if I
continue.
I said if I have to vouch for someone, I think I would like Arjun or Rahul to win, because Rahul is a sweet person. I met him only once, but I've worked with him and he's been my co-actor. He's a doll. So I personally पूछो तो मुझे पता नहीं कौन परफॉर्म कैसा कर रहा है, but या इन दोनों में जीत जाए तो मुझे मेरा कुछ बनेगा भी नहीं, बिगड़ेगा भी नहीं, but I would be happy for that. Yeah.
Okay. So lastly, a message you would like to give to your fans and viewers.
Please watch Crimes and Confessions, which is coming tomorrow, which is streaming tomorrow on Alt Balaji. It's a labor of hard work. And all the people who've been waiting for me to come back and do something new and exciting after Tera Yaar Hu Main, because I get messages every single day, please come back. So please stream tomorrow on Alt Balaji and watch this. And you are in for a big surprise. So all the fans who like me and who adored me for all these 18 years of my career, please stream tomorrow on Alt Balaji and watch Crimes and Confessions. It's a series to be watched.
Okay, thank you so much. It was lovely having you.
Same here. Thank you.